Told her what?
That storm tracker is a plane that flies in storms.
I don't see one.
Right there.
Where?
Oh yeah. Look up in the sky. It's right there.
I think that's a star.
No, that's Pluto.
How? It's
Pluto?
moving. It's moving.
Then it's a storm tracker.
But it's too high up to be a storm tracker.
No. Storm trackers fly in hurricanes. It's starting to rain.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. No, it isn't. Hurricanes fly in. Storm trackers fly in hurricanes.
Mommy, what about if it looks like your feet? So your hair.
What?
Julian, don't climb up there.
What?
Because I don't know. There's a storm tracker right up there. It's going to be a big storm because there's a storm tracker. Shut up. What if that was a storm tracker, one of those cars? Let's see if there's a tornado.
Where?
Right there, that shiny thing. What if the light was, it's a backlight from a car that thinks there's going to be a tornado?
That will be scary.
Mommy, I can see the rain. Don't you hear it?
Mm-mm. Do you
That's the
smell
rain.
it? Smell.
That's a fire.
Can you smell it?
Yeah,
That's
it's a fire.
Not a fire.
Well, there's a fire going on right now.
What if it's a pipe bomb?
There's a fire going on right now.
Yeah. You think I should get
At least
some
3.
popcorn?
Why would you need popcorn?
It's a show. Yeah. It's really a show.
We need more lightning.
We need more popcorn.
Here, talk to the lightning gods. Tell them, lightning, please.
Lightning, please.
What's the coolest thing about lightning?
Lightning, please. There's nothing cool. There's
Jillian.
That strikes our
Get
schools
down.
and we don't have to go there anymore.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I know. And I like that it struck MECC.
No. Lightning. I hate when it
Julian, it didn't struck near your teacher. It struck near mine. It was right in the hallway.
right like here and your class is right here.
No, my class is right. Like, let's say this whole square is the whole building. Here's my classroom, right here. Right here. Here's my classroom, right here. Here's where the lightning struck, right there. See how close they are?
That's what. You feel sad for me, Lightning, please.
No, I don't.
You don't?
No, because all the teachers are strict. Even all the teachers are strict.
No.
Well, no, I mean like the gym teachers.
Mr. Smallwood wasn't strict?
Well, everyone else is.
No.
Yeah.
Don't you hear that rain? Lightning, please.
That's the leaves from trees.
Yeah. And that's your butt coming out. That's your butt. That's your butt.
Your brother.
Wind. That's your butt wind. Alright, and that's your butt wind. That is definitely your butt wind. I can't believe
Pizza!
Pizza!
I want some! Bring me some pizza!
We have money! Pizza! Pizza!
We just told a pizza truck to give us pizza. But
Shut up. That was your butt chisper. Oh.
All right, any other thoughts on lightning in Phoenix, guys?
I hate...
There's a storm tracker.
Oh, yeah, that's a storm tracker.
Yeah, it is.
How do you know?
Because.
Why is a plane flying in a huge storm?
Yeah!
You think Daddy would do that?
No.
No.
Why not?
No, you crazy knucklehead. Because it traps
Mommy,
us any
It
tornado.
said what's in it. Yeah, that's a storm tracker.
And that one.
Another one?
Yeah.
What do you think about that? You think that that's not very safe, huh?
No, it's only one person.
Well, what happens when lightning hits a plane?
Julian, it's not only
It
one
goes
person.
through, but it doesn't actually hit a person.
Yes, it does, Julian. It knocks the plane. You can knock the plane out, or it can hit them, or it can go into it. Mommy, do you know what hurricane Hugo is?
Hurricane what?
Hugo? go?
Who go?
Yeah.
We go.
Hurricane.
You go or we go?
No, who go?
I don't know. Who go?
It really was a hurricane.
Yeah.
Remember when we went? They said this person this storm tractor flew through the wall of the eye.